you know, like The Simpsons. And, yeah. Drugs are, you know, which are good, which are bad. I don't know. Drugs. Yeah, there's, you know, you know what's really good for sleep is melatonin. That's really good for sleep. Melatonin works. Really good for sleep. But you never know. I mean, can you, if your body can, apparently it's a naturally occurring substance in the body. The brain produces melatonin when your eyes close. You can buy it in a capsule. I don't know. Anyway. Wow. My holy sh. Yeah, man, what am I doing here? What am I doing here? What am I doing here? I saw, what, yeah. What is this? What's what? Right? Like, I don't know. What is what? I don't know. What is what? Who is what? When is it enough? When is it, I don't know. That's fucked up. That's some fucked up shit. That's some fucked up shit. That shit's fucked. Oh, damn. Well, this right here, I got a 20 twin. And this right here's gonna be my 20 something. I'm gonna be 20 twin. So, it's been fun. It's been fun. Under an umbrella. And that's what I'm doing. Yay. Yeah. When is enough going to be enough, right? When is technology going to be too much? When is it all this, you know, I don't know. It's going to be enough. Makes me think I gotta water my plant. Probably just did. But yeah. So we'll probably be eating now for the next, you know, 30, I don't know, minutes. Then we're off. We gotta go hunting, right? Hunt for some food. Woo! fuck. Yeah. Yeah, the nose, yeah. Gotta fix my nose, eh? Wow. Yeah, really, what else could I do? Take my, picture. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I should be doing, eh? Yeah, you can apparently get, like, you know, they put staples in your face, right? They pull your skin back and they put a little staple in there. Puts back all the wrinkles and whatnot. Pretty nuts. Pretty nuts. Yeah, I was, been around this, but I haven't seen it rain like this in like, yeah, so I, was smoking, some of the chronic. You know, can be fun, right? Big scandal in the cities, right? It's on the TV, and yeah, I don't know what I can tell you, but sleep is cool, but maybe it's not. Maybe I need something else. Maybe I need something else. What I really need is yeah. What I really need is I always wanted to be part of something, right? No, that's what you gotta do. You gotta be a part of something, right? You gotta, you have to be, I don't know, not fucking Charles Manson, right? I'm looking at some of the, I don't know, man, this guy, I watch some of his stuff and I'm like, I don't know if I want, if I don't even want to know, if I couldn't turn it on, you know, I'm like, no. Yeah, maybe I should, work on my shit, though, work on my editing, because that's, wow. You know what, though? I'm glad no one's around to see this, because, that'd be pretty fucked up. Yeah, life. How can you express it? How can you know? Know something. Wait, yeah. You gotta, yeah. Coffee and cigarette time. Yeah. Yeah, no. Moving the laundry or something and walking down the street in a plastic coat. Yeah. Sick of I can't say that. I can't be negative. I gotta be positive. Think happy thoughts. Think happy thoughts. Think happy thoughts. In your mind. Happy thoughts in your mind. Happy thoughts, happy thoughts. Happy thoughts, happy thoughts. Happy thoughts, happy thoughts. Happy, happy, happy thoughts. Ow. Shit. Is that wet? Yeah. There you go. Off in my van. What did he do? What did that guy do? I don't even know where he came from. He was just in like a cube van and he was, I don't know, what did he do? Checking his gas tank or something. That was weird. That was really... Okay, cool. Kinda cool. That's kinda cool. Yeah. That was cool. Some people, yeah. People. Oh, again. Survivalist man. The survivalist man. We're out here. No more place to take it. Right here, chasing the alligators in the wilderness. Got me fanny pack just in case. I might need a So yeah, how long have I been going? No, but if I go, I've been all messed up, sleeping all fucked up, and really messed up. Like, that's screwed up when you're going days without sleep and you're like, no, it's screwed. I'm just gonna go walk around like, you know, and be like, you know, caught in the mix and